gentlemen, Tiger Airways is pleased to welcome you to Kuala Lumpur. The local time is 20 minutes past 7 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before you leave the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggages with you. May remind you again to leave your mobile phone switched off until you are inside the terminal building. For safety reasons, smoking along the tarmac is strictly prohibited. Thank you for flying Tiger Airways. It has been a pleasure to have you with us today. We look forward to seeing you again very soon. We are pleased to announce the addition of 2 exciting new destinations to our network. Direct flights to Phnom Penh and Hyderabad are now available for booking. So remember, for the lowest fares, always log on to TigerAirways.com. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.
Stick vintage.
But then where did you purchase them?
I didn't purchase them. Somebody gave them to me at the tab show. One of the girls that came through the signing. They came in like nice packaging. I think they're like pretty